Hi everyone, I am Nitin Reddy, a passionate web developer with a strong interest in backend technologies, especially Node.js. In this video, I am going to walk you through some of most commonly asked Node.js interview questions. Whether you are preparing for an interview or just getting started with Node.js, these questions will help you understand core concepts and clearly and confidently. Here we see some of the questions. First question: what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache with PHP, which are multiple threaded, Node.js uses a threaded, event-driven architecture. This makes it highly efficient for handling many simultaneous connections, especially in real-time applications like charts or streaming. Now we go to second question. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Node, a callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function to be executed later, usually after some asynchronous operation like reading a file or querying a database. They are used in Node.js to prevent blocking the main thread while waiting for long-running operations to finish. And now we go to third question. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key projects found in this file? Yeah. Now the answer is the package.json file is like the blueprint of Node.js project. It holds important metadata like name, version of the project, and dependencies, dependencies like needed to run the app, scripts for common tasks like npm start, and main is the entry point like index.js. It allows npm to manage and install packages consistently. And now we go to fourth question. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Answer is require is common JS syntax used in older versions of Node.js. Import is the ES6 module syntax now supported in modern JS. Use require for compatibility and import for modern ES6 plus code bases. Now we are using ES6. And now we go to fifth question. What is middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware are functions that run between the request and the response in an Express app. They can be used to log requests, parse data, check authentication, and more. And now we go to sixth question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API in an API that follows REST principles and uses HTTPS method to perform operations. Like the common HTTP methods are get is used to read data, post is used to create data, put is used to update the data, delete is used to remove data. And now we go to seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it? Manage dependence in the Node.js project. NPM is full form is Node Package Manager is used to install, update and manage packages in a Node.js project. It keeps track of dependencies in package.json. Now we use some common commands like npm In it, it is used to create a new project, and npm install express is used to install a package, and npm install is used to install all listed dependencies. Now our last question is why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hash passwords ensures that even if the database is hacked, the actual passwords remain protected. Hashed passwords are irreversible and often include salt to prevent rainbow table attacks. Use libraries like Brick for secure password hashing. Thank you.